Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter. If you open up your hood, by the passenger side you're going to see the engine air filter box. All you're going to do is you're going to take this clip and unlock it. There's one on both ends, so you're going to have to unlock both. So you're going to release it so it's loose. Make sure it's loose on both sides. And then you're going to lift this part up. And you're going to take this air filter out. In this scenario, this is a brand new air filter that I just put in. So the one that I used to replace it is this MicroGard air filter. You don't have to specifically use this one. You can choose something cheaper or something more luxurious. It all depends on your preference. But all you're going to do is lift the cover back up and you're just going to stick it back inside. So make sure this part lines up with the cover. And once everything lines up, you're just going to put it back inside. Make sure everything fits right. And now all I'm going to do is take this hook and I'm going to lock it in place. And that's how you change the engine air filter.